I'm Steven with ThunderMax, and I'm going to install this ThunderMax Oil Cooler Fan on this Milwaukee 8 oil-cooled motorcycle. First thing we got to do is remove the oil cooler shroud. It clips in here and here, so I want to pop this out here and here. And it latches up here, so I have to pull it up and down. So that's out of the way. So now with the T27 Torx bit, I've got a bolt right here. I'm going to totally remove it all the way. So I'm going to discard this. In any package you get some longer bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and thread this one. I'm going to start it. Don't run it in all the way through. Just start it. So hold your finger on the back. Make sure you don't come all the way through the bracket here. So that's started. Now I'm going to go remove the other side. So I'm going to remove this one. Install my longer bolt. Like I said, don't let it go all the way through. I can feel it stopping. So now I'm going to slide my fan up in there. So you can see the up on here. So I'm just going to slide it right in here, line my holes. So now I'm going to run my longer bolt through the brackets of the fan. If I can feel it coming out. So I'm going to run it out just enough where I can get this washer and lock nut started. So now I've got my lock nut started with 7/16 wrench. I'm gonna hold it while I tighten this one. Now it's tight, so now I'm gonna have to tighten the 7/16 all the way. So back to the other side, we're going to run our longer bolt all the way through. Until I can get my washer and my lock nut on. I'm going to hold it with my 7/16. Now I'm going to tighten the 7/16 nut all the way down. So now we're going to plug in our fan. The stock wiring harness already has a place to plug it in. It's got a plug here that we can unplug. Dummy plug there, and just plug the fan right in there. And now we just put our cowling back on. So now we've got our oil cooling fan on installed. So if you got a ThunderMax, you're ready to go. The fan's going to come on at 210 degrees head temp. If it's a stock ECM, you'll have to take it to your HD dealer to get them to activate the fan. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just send us an email. We'll be glad to answer them.